Hi everyone, Dr. Vince here from Element Wellness Center. This is Jennifer. Say hi, Jen.
Hello.
So as you can see right here on Jennifer's x-rays we just took, as she goes in between the shoulder blades, her spine shifts to the left there. So this is literally what's happening with Jennifer. So her spine is bending to that left side and it's crushing all those nerves between the shoulder blades. So let's get that fixed. Let's go face down right now, Jennifer. And this is a very easy, smooth adjustment. And it feels fantastic when you're actually getting it done. So nice and gentle, just like this. Beautiful, Jennifer. Lay on your right side for me. Face me right over here. Excellent. That's your pillow. The next adjustment that we're going to do is on Jennifer's low back. So if you take a look at her low back x-ray, you can see right as where she is. So see how she shifts to that right side there? Here's what's actually happening with her lumbar spine. Lumbar just means low back. In the low back, these little bones are twisting to the right, and it's pulling and shifting her pelvis all the way over. That crushes those nerves in the low back, and that causes low back pain, that radiation that shoots down the legs. And again, this is a very simple, easy adjustment. So let's take a look at exactly how we fix this. So we're just gonna scoot you a little closer there, Jen. Just like that. I won't drop you, I promise. So just like this, nice and gentle. Excellent. On your back for me, Jen. How was that?
Oh, great.
Not bad, right? Is this scary at all, Jen?
Nope. Feels good.
Awesome. All right, and then let's go to Jennifer's neck now. So you take a look over here at Jennifer's neck. This green line is where she should be. So she should have this nice big C-shaped curve. But take a look at red. Jennifer, what's happening to your neck right there in that video?
Pressure on my neck.
It's pressure on the neck, yeah. So do you have a curve or have you lost the curve?
No curve.
No curve. So we gotta get that curve back. This is one of my favorite adjustments to do. Lift your head all the way up there for me, Jen. And head back. One of my absolute favorite adjustments to do. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna take all the pressure off those little nerves. So we're just gonna lightly decompress the neck. So Jennifer, teeth together, mouth closed, nice and loose. Loose, loose, loose. Excellent. How was that, Jennifer?
Great.
Was that awesome?
Mm-hmm.
All right, and the very last one, sit all the way up for me. Feet over here to the right. The last thing we have to do is we have to get this curve better in the neck, because if we lose the curve, posture suffers. Your head goes forward, crushes all those nerves. So let's get that curve back in the neck. We're gonna use my favorite tool here. It's called the Arthur stem. And it's gonna make a little bit of noise, but it's not scary at all, I promise. Okay, and just let me move your head here. Go all the way back. And this little device gets the bones and it gets those things to roll all the way back into the position they're supposed to be in. We have one more. And Jennifer, how good does that feel?
So good.
With the neck right now?
Yeah.
And the cool thing is the next time we take Jennifer's x-rays, we're gonna have major changes on these x-rays from the treatment. The reason why we get the great result is because of the beautiful x-rays we're working with and the awesome technique we're using. So if anyone has any of these issues, please click the link below and can't wait to see you, get you feeling better. Bye.
Bye.